China tours will increase income in future, do you have any great suggestions for me?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I have one client now is looking for a similar investment project. So I have studied some area for this industry. Now I suggest you to choose the MGM Resort and the Crown Resort. The MGM Resort, which is listing in US exchange, and the Crown Resort, which is listing in the Australia exchange. So now MGM Resort have some investment in Macau, and they are very aggressive in China tourism business. So another one, Australia, the number one leader is a Crown Resort. So I suggest to compare with these two companies. So that as a result, I have compared their revenues, total assets, and the net income. So as a result, MGM revenue have a more than 356% than Crown, and the total asset MGM have a more than 218% than Crown. But for the net income, the Crown is a more than 73% than MGM. But for the size of business, they are a little bit different. In MGM, the employee have 17,000 people, but in the Crown only have 15,000 people. So that's a little bit big difference.
Committee which are elected by the board of directors, and our committee member, our audit committee member are all professional because they are the financial institution. So we will review and evaluate the financial statement at least quarterly, and we also discuss the financial issues with the external auditor and the internal auditor to make sure we are the independence, and also our financial disclose and internal control, we have done very well. So in our financial statement provided, we have a high transparency, completeness, and unbiased. So I think your friend have no worry about our financial status.
Okay, I have a confidence in you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your committee can give some internal controls such as disclose procedures and evaluate the company of business conduct and ethics.
Yes, our audit committee have a progress in the evaluating our ethics, code of conduct of the ethics, and also the internal control. We have reviewed our internal control of our financial statement and other financial issues regularly.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yes.
Thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one interesting question to ask, which is Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. What are the functions of this committee? Could you please let me know the details?
Yeah, I'm sure you must have interest in our corporate social responsibility because we are proud of disclose our social and environmental practice in our annual report. So let me tell you some about our social responsibility, the report, because we have a report which is applying the GRI.
No.
Yeah, the GRI is a guideline which is called the Global Reporting Initiative. It's a flexible system in applying in the sustainability reporting because it has an element which include human rights, social, environmental, and working conditions. So we have a detail in the sustainability report.
Can you tell me or let me know some ideas of the Crown board?
First one is audit and corporate governance and the corporate social responsibility, financial investment,
Okay.
and nomination and remunerations, occupational health and safety, and responsibility gaming and risk management.
I think aspect of the role of journalists, I want to know more detail about for maybe like some ownership structures, compensation plan, internal control, and the director action.
First of all, board of our director outline was in the website. You can see over there.
Okay.
And the director education is part of the governance required. So I have to put some education background. We have some ratio for each education, like financial. They will put something number. The number is the evaluation part for each director skill.
Yes. Actually, I want to know more detail in the ethic, standard ethic behavior in farm, or how to practice
Oh.
in this section.
In this area, we have classified as directors and employees. And so it's mostly about just give us some rules and policies to make the directors and employees to get the best interest of the company. So we this kind of things we have to prevent is the insider trading.
Yeah.
This will harmful the shareholder interest. So also employee part is kind of difficult part too, because most likely the Australian society have more different culture like Asia, India, and more and more. So in this kind of thing is we have to be careful on the discrimination part. And this part we are now trying to invest more money.
So, for the employees, how about the compensation plan?
The compensation plans for directors is quite interesting. We have two types. One type is called the performance-based remunerations.
Okay.
This kind of remuneration is to control the senior executive by seeing their performance. If their performance is great, then of course we will give them more reward.
Sure.
Yeah. But the other thing is short-term incentive. This is different because this is to see the senior executive target potential, how much they can bring. It's two different things. So that one is for performance, and this one is for seeing how good he is and how to target our target.
That's very information today.
Yeah.
But I think if I want more detail, then I can contact you.
Yeah, sure.
My comparison with the MGM Resort Internationals and the Crown Resort Performance and the Corporate Governance. So, what do you think for this both companies?
Actually, after talk with Calvin, I feel that MGM Resource International operation and scales is much better than Crown Resources, and US is better regulation than Australia. US has more regulation and legislation to protect the stakeholders and investors. MGM Resource International has a well-structured and more stringent operation system and better internal control.
Okay, but do you want to listen to my opinion?
Sure.
Yeah, actually, my opinion.
Crown have better remunerations controls than USA company MGMs. So as you know, the USA company have remunerations for CEO is not that fair to the shareholders. So before many accounting fraud in USA. So to be safe, you can consider for the Crown Resort because there the net income is higher and the performance is not that too aggressive. So I think it's more safe for you.
Yeah,
in
but
investment.
agency problem is really hard to prevent. In my position, I only want to get the best return for my company investment. So anyway, appreciate for your time and
You're
thanks for
welcome.
your advice.
Thank you.
And
你伸隻手出
唔係你 cut 㗎嘛嗰度。
，OK OK。
and it's quarterly and